Ever notice that most planes do not fly straight across the Pacific Ocean? It is not just about distance, there is a reason your flight takes the long way. Airlines often route planes over Alaska or the Arctic, even when the Pacific route looks shorter on a map. But maps are deceiving. They flatten Earth's curves. The actual shortest path between continents is called a Great Circle route, and it often arcs over land, not ocean. Plus, there are practical reasons too. Flying over vast oceans means fewer options in an emergency. If a plane needs to divert, it is safer to be closer to land. Rescue operations over the Pacific are harder and slower. Also, weather can be unpredictable. Huge storms and jet streams over the ocean add risk and fuel cost. By flying over land, airlines stay closer to airfields and avoid headwinds. Planes do fly over the Pacific, especially long-haul jets. But when they do not, it is not superstition or fear. It is fuel efficiency, safety planning, and smart routing. And sometimes, the curved path is shorter than a straight line. Follow for more secrets hidden in your flight path. Because knowledge does not stop at 60 seconds.